There are mainly three types of mixtures to be separated: mixture of two solids, mixture of two liquids, and mixture of a solid and a liquid. In this section, we will learn about some physical methods used to separate the mixture of a solid and a liquid. Separation by filtration. You might have seen a tea strainer in your house. It is used to filter tea in which the insoluble particles left behind the strainer. Similarly, a mixture of solid and a liquid can be separated by a filter paper. For example, when the mixture of sand and water is poured on a filter paper fixed in funnel, the clear water passes through it and the sand remains behind the filter paper. Separation by centrifugation. In this process, the mixture is rotated or spun at a high speed in a machine called centrifuge. The heavier particles suspend at the bottom of the centrifuge tube and the water being lighter remains at the top of the tube. Separation by evaporation. In this process, when the solution is heated, the liquid evaporates, leaving the solid behind. For example, common salt is separated from water by the process of evaporation. Separation by crystallization. In this process, the impure solid is first dissolved in a solvent and stirred. The solution is then heated to evaporate most of the solvent. The hot solution is allowed to cool and the solid appears as pure crystals. Separation by chromatography. Chromatography is used to separate different substances dissolved in liquid. Paper chromatography is most commonly used. Let's understand with an example. Draw a line on a paper and put ink spots on it. Dip the paper into the solution. You will see the separate colored spots appearing on the paper. The paper obtained with colored spots is called chromatogram. Separation by distillation. In this process, the liquid is heated to form vapor and the vapor is again cooled to form liquid. For example, a mixture of common salt and water can be easily separated completely by the process of distillation with distillation apparatus.